Hello and welcome back to the accounting module. In our previous lessons, we reviewed the day-to-day functions of accounts payable. In this lesson, we will review journal entries and journal items. Journal entries are a fundamental part of any accounting system. They help keep track of financial transactions and ensure that the books are current and accurate. Let's start by selecting the accounting icon from the main dashboard and then Accounting Journal Entries menu. This menu allows users to access and review all journal entries in one place. One of the primary functions of the Journal Entries menu is to audit existing entries. As we mentioned in the beginning of this course, you do not have to be an accountant to use Odoo Accounting. That's because almost 95% of the entries under the Journal Entry section are auto-generated by the system. For example, we want to review the entry that was posted by the system for invoice INV/2025/000001. We simply search the entry reference under the search box, and Odoo will display the entry posted for that invoice. We can also search by various criteria, such as account, date, reference, or partner. Additionally, we can also use functionality such as filter and group by journal entries to get a more comprehensive view of our financial data. Another essential feature of the Journal Entries menu is the ability to create manual entries. For example, we need to record a payroll entry for the month. We can easily create a manual journal entry from the menu by clicking on New, selecting the appropriate journal, and adding the necessary lines for each account affected by the transaction. We can also add a reference, date, and other relevant information to help with tracking and reporting. Once the required details have been updated, we can press the button to post the entry. The next menu option we have is Journal Items. The Journal Items view is central to Odoo Accounting, and any errors or omissions can be audited and identified in this view. This view displays a detailed breakdown of each transaction that has been recorded in our Odoo accounting system. Let's say a user wants to group the journal items by accounts to get a clear picture of the debit and credit balance of each account. With Odoo's Group By functionality, the user can easily group the items by accounts and view the balances of each account. Additionally, the user can also further group the journal items by month to get a monthly breakdown of each account, helping to track the financial performance of the business. Moreover, the Journal Items view allows users to review important details such as dates, reconciliations, tax codes, and other relevant information, making it easier to identify and resolve any discrepancies in the accounting entries. If there are any problematic lines in the journal entry, users can simply highlight multiple lines which were posted to wrong account and make necessary adjustments by changing the accounts. This makes it easy to correct any errors or omissions in the accounting entries. Another useful function of the Journal Items view is to reconcile or match non-bank accounts such as VAT control accounts. Simply highlight the multiple lines that need reconciling and click Reconcile or Action Unreconcile to make any changes as needed. Odoo's Journal Items view is an essential tool for managing accounting entries and ensuring accurate financial reporting. By providing a detailed and comprehensive view of all transactions, users can easily identify and resolve any issues, improving the accuracy and reliability of their financial records. Now we've successfully covered the journal accounting functionality. Why don't you head to the next lesson, where we will explore tax reports and the closing of accounting periods in Odoo Accounting. Thanks for watching, and until next time.